Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by checking essentials. Confirm the Chromecast is powered with the original adapter and that the LED shows activity. Next, make sure your phone or tablet and the Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network and band. Different bands can block discovery. Open the Google Home app and grant required permissions, location and local network, so the app can find devices. Once done, you'll have the foundation for pairing. These steps remove most basic connectivity barriers before deeper troubleshooting. Once the basics are set, diagnose the network and app. Restart your router, unplug for 30 seconds to clear routing glitches, power cycle the modem if separate. If you use a VPN or router features like access point isolation, turn them off temporarily because they prevent device discovery. Try switching bands, some setups prefer 4 GHz for initial pairing. Also update the Google Home app and Chromecast firmware, and if necessary, forget the Wi-Fi on the Chromecast and re-add it to force a clean configuration. If problems persist, perform a factory reset. Hold the Chromecast button until the LED flashes and follow the Google Home prompts. This clears corrupted settings. You can also create a phone hotspot matching your home SSID and password to isolate router issues. If Chromecast connects, the router is the culprit. Finally, inspect router DHCP leases, firewall rules, and multicast/IGMP settings because Chromecast relies on MDNS. If all else fails, contact your ISP or replace hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.